Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video, learn English for beginners. Body parts. Let's continue. 83rd lesson. New words. The rule, ing, forms. You can use the ing form of a verb as an adjective. For example, the verb, adjective, to show, showing, to cry, crying, to interest, interesting, to show, showing, to cry, crying, to interest, interesting. The verb, infinitive, past tense, to give, given, to start, started, to give, given, to start, started, to smile, smiled, to sob, sobbed, to smile, smiled, to sob, sobbed. Simple dialogue.
Vanessa, I want to show you my new brother.
Really?
Yay, my parents are so proud of that.
I want to look at the baby for a minute.
What's the matter?
Your new brother has got no hair or teeth.
What? Why did you sob?
I sobbed because it's not fair. It's an old baby.
Second wave. 26th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon for another video.